To launch your Fullmind session, you'll go to lms.fullmindlearning.com and enter your username and password to log in. Once you're on the dashboard, you will see a calendar view of all of your sessions. On the right-hand side, you'll see your next session tick-down calendar. It should say Join Class when the time of your session launches. Click Join Class. Click Microphone, allow the microphone, and click Join Audio. Here you will be able to see the list of all your students in your class. You have a whiteboard you can use. Click the next slide here to view the whiteboard. You have tools here on the right to your disposal. Click on the Share Your Screen icon to choose which dashboard you would like to view. To show your webcam, click on the Share Webcam Video. Choose your preferences and click Start Sharing. Hi class! You can use the chat feature here. Click on the plus sign to view more actions. Here you can upload and manage presentations, start a poll, you can select a random user, you can activate a timer or stopwatch, you can manage different types of layouts to see your students. You can click on the Manage Users tab, which will allow you to mute all your users. You can mute all users except the presenter. You have the ability to lock viewers. Lock viewers is a place where you can enable or restrict viewers from using specific features. You can clear all reactions. You can create breakout rooms for projects. And write closed captions. To restore your presentation, click on the Restore Presentation icon to bring the whiteboard back. Up here in the upper right-hand corner, you will see more options where you can leave the meeting, but not end the meeting. If you do not come back into the meeting within 5 minutes, the class will end automatically. Back in your dashboard tab, you can go into the session you are live in, click into the session, and click Manage Class. This is the session details page. In the session details page is where you can enter an exit ticket based on the lesson you provided in today's session. You can upload session files. Fullmind educators now have the ability to submit for Fullmind coverage. This allows a Fullmind educator to submit a substitute if in the event that they cannot make a session. All they would have to do is click Find Fullmind Coverage, enter the date and time. You can reschedule the class if Fullmind coverage is not available. Enter what the student is working on in that session, and upload any files that you may think are useful to the student session, and click Submit. If you scroll down, you can see a list of your students. Here in the middle is the Report Student in Crisis button. Click on the button to report a student in crisis. You will enter a brief description of the situation, and as soon as you submit, this information will go directly to the Fullmind team who will reach out to support you. Make sure to click Submit to report. Be on the lookout for any sessions that are highlighted in yellow. Typically, yellow sessions require an action to be performed. If you hover over the yellow highlighted session, you can see the action required is either to publish an exit ticket, to upload session files, and in some cases to grade turned in exit tickets. Remember that you can only join a class at the time the session is launching. You cannot join a class early. If you would like to manage materials for the session before the session begins, you can do so by clicking on the calendar you'd like to prep for. Click on the session, click on Upload Materials, You should see all of your material files here uploaded in the session. If you scroll up to the top, you will see a tick clock for when your session will begin. To connect with the teacher of record for a course, you can also click on the calendar view here, click on the course, click Manage Class, and see in the session details page the teacher of record here. You can click on the airplane icon to message the teacher directly. You can also go to the Sessions tab, search by upcoming sessions, click on the session ID for the session you are going to launch, and find the session page this way, and directly message the educator from here as well. So to review, the dashboard allows you to see your upcoming sessions here on the right. Your calendar view also allows you to click on the date and click into the class, where you can join the class, manage the class, enter exit ticket, upload files, submit for Fullmind coverage, and report a student in crisis. And there you have it. Happy teaching!